The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 were just unveiled, with a new official photograph highlighting the device's thinness. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor barely fits, and the reintroduction of a full punch camera on the inner screen has been speculated as a strategy for Samsung to avoid patent infringement lawsuits from Apple and BOE. However, it is possible that Samsung just couldn't make the under-display camera good enough because it requires a specific type of display to function. The 4-megapixel sensor under the punch hole is significantly larger than previously, and while the quality is superior to the previous under-did camera, it is still far from as excellent as the cover screen camera. This gives users the impression that it is worthless. Samsung is giving away $5,000 to one fortunate individual to promote the Unpacked event, and those who make a free reservation will receive a guaranteed $50 credit to spend during pre-orders. The F7 phone will also come pre-installed with Samsung's new One UI 8 software, which includes a revised lock screen clock. It moves dynamically around your wallpaper topic, adjusting its form and size in real time. This little feature elevates the phone's overall appearance. A video touting the mysterious Samsung Foldable has started spreading, and many people believe it's the Z Fold 7. However, this isn't the F7. The Fold 7 resembles a display screen, most likely taken from the Z Fold 5. The additional components are buried behind the phone's sleeve. Apple's first foldable iPhone may resemble the Z Fold 7, although it is still at prototype stage. The plan calls for a 7.8-inch internal display, a 5.5-inch cover screen, twin 48MP back cameras, a titanium shell, and a fingerprint sensor located on the side. The phone is estimated to cost $2,000 and appears ridiculously big, similar to an iPad mini. If correct, it might be a device that attempts to be both a phone and a tablet at the same time. Regardless of the differences in the end product, Apple's announcement of the foldable next year is an important move for Samsung since it drives other firms to step up and generate more competition. Samsung's decision to remove the S Pen slot from the S26 Ultra has sparked suspicion. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.